everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on House of Zwide from the 19th to 23rd of August 2024 on Monday. Mampo tells Nkosi it's unfair that she has to pitch for a place in a new collective when she and other employees were reassured they'll be repaid for their loyalty to House of Zwide during its time of crisis on Tuesday. Maria and Mampo are shocked when they wake up to the sight of a strange man digging up the paving in their yard on Wednesday. Mysterious Msiza vowed to a suspicious faith that he's left his dark past behind him and quizzes her about the paving at Mampo and Maria's house on Thursday. Faith opened up to Msizi about the financial challenges facing House of Zwide and hint that at her bitterness that Funani didn't leave her any shares in the company, but she rebuffs Msiza's attempt to get them to spend more time together on Friday. Nkosi and Honor experiences a moment of victory as construction work on the new House of Zwide finally gets underway. Nkosi is impressed when Shoki's online followers recognizing her in public. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.